Bawb, croeso, unwaith eto. Hi everyone, welcome once again. Mae'n wych cael eich cwmni. It's great to have your company. Mae hi'n glawio, hi'n wragedd a ffyn. It is raining old women and
sticks.
Cyfres pedwar a phenod rhif cant 150. Series 4 and episode number 150. Yn y Gegin, in the kitchen. Hello everyone. So, bawb has become bawb, vocative use, soft mutation. Wych has become wych. Means great, splendid, excellent kind of word. Wragedd, that's wragedd. Women. Phenod has become phenod. Aspect mutation after the word a. And Gegin has become Gegin because it's a singular feminine noun after the definite article on a Gegin in the kitchen. So C to a G, soft mutation there as well. Today's words, all kitchen related words. So we've seen some before, wragedd, wragedd and tegell in the feminine words that was doing with eth endings. So we've seen them before. We knew that wragedd and wragedd were part of the ones, typical feminine endings words, but the tegell, kettle, was a rule breaker. So today's words, I have some words we've already covered, those ones. We've picked up some others elsewhere, but mostly new. So, ffyn is a word for oven. Stove, which is like a stove, cooker, is all feminine. Wragedd, fridge, refrigerator. Fridge, F-R-I-J. Fridge, refrigerator again as well, both feminine. Wragedd, freezer. Now the masculine words, gwroedd, masculine. Pop tea, oven, another word for oven. Sink is a sink, but spelled with a C, rather than the English spelled with a K. Remember, these are masculine now. Bosh, another word for sink or trough. Tostiwr, toaster, and toster, another word for toaster. Now, I've got quite a few words for kettle, lots of different ones, and I've got about 5 or 6 here, and I've done a page for 5 or 6 of them, but on the web lesson, there's about 18 listed, so yeah, there's lots of different ones. But tegell seems to be the standard one, or if dare I say a standard, because you want to keep all the dialects alive, but at the same time, languages need to evolve as well and stay alive, so you can't have it too complex. So it's a fine balance, isn't it, between preserving all the different words and having a standard as well. Anyway, tegell, kettle. Tekell, another word, change this G to a C. Kettle. Tegell. Instead of having S, have an L. And that could be tegell as well down south. You could have a longer E's on these, tegell. Instead of tegell. You could have tekell instead of tekell. You could have tegell instead of tegell as well. Kettle. Tekel. Another one. Tekill. All very similar. And then there's loads of other ones that have, like I said, on the web lesson. Cooker is a cooker. That can be masculine or feminine. Microdon means microwave, but just the word microwave, but can be used for the word microwave oven as well. That's feminine or masculine as well. And macrodon, different spelling. Microwave oven or microwave can be feminine or masculine as well. Feminine in some parts, masculine in others. It's just the way it is. Some people run with it one way, some people run with it another way. Other words that are phrases really now that haven't got a gender. So we had the mixed ones, masculine and feminine. Peiriant golchi llestri. So that's peiriant, which means machine, golchi, which means wash, and llestri, which means dishes. So that's the dishwasher. Peiriant, golchi, llestri. Peiriant, golchi, just machine wash, is washing machine. Peiriant, sychu dillad, literally in the order of English, would be machine dry clothes. So that's your tumble dryer, dry, etc. Peiriant, sychu, peiriant, sychu dillad, dryer. Popty ping, not everybody uses it, but it is a word for microwave oven as well. Popty microdon is another one, microwave oven. So you can just say microdon, macrodon, popty ping, or popty microdon. You know, some people use different ones. Other words for kettle that might quickly go on are tegil, kettle, and yeah. Anyway, you have a look. Not that used that much, but are used by some people. And games and so forth. And then to have some sentences for the ones that aren't phrases, ones that are just words. Mae'r ffwrn yn boeth iawn. The oven is very hot. Mae'r popty yn lan. The oven is clean. Mae'r cwcer ar y silff. Sorry. Mae'r cwcer ar y silff. The cooker is on the shelf. Dylai'r stof fod yn oer erbyn hyn. The stove should be cold by now. Mae'r oergell yn newydd. The fridge is new. Mae'r fridge bron yn wag heddiw. The fridge is almost empty today. Mae'r rhewgell yn ddrud. A freezer is expensive. Mae'r sink wedi blocio eto. The sink is blocked again. Ro'n i'n golchi llestri on a bosh. I was washing dishes in the sink. Mae'r tostiwr yn gwneud tost da. The toaster makes good toast. And llegell a tegell. Fill the kettle. Now, I'm not going to go through all ones for tegell, different words for kettle. I'm going to jump onto the listening exercise because we're out of time. Roedd rhaid I mi newid y bowlen ar y popty halogen. I had to replace the bowl on the halogen oven. Yn ffodus, roedd gennym ni un spar on a shed. Luckily, we had a spare one in the shed. Rydyn ni bron allan o sebon dwylo. We are almost out of hand soap. Ceisiwch beidio a syrthio o'ch sedd mewn cyffro. Try not to fall from your seat in excitement. So yeah, popty halogen oven. Bowlen, a bowl. Yeah, the crack in it was getting bigger and bigger. And yeah, I remembered it kept one from a few years ago. Because another one had another part that broke and there was a spare bowl. Interesting, isn't it? Yeah. We've got other words there for kettle. Anyway, I'm out of time, sorry.